Hi guys, today I want to show you how to unfold multi-surface here inside the AutoCAD with our software. So once you download our software from the website, just load in the software into AutoCAD, and then you have a command called G-unfold here. So let me show the model here. This is actually the model, and this model have many patches here. This one and this one. So we can unfold this all together so that you have got this a single contour, or then have an outside contour on the 2xy plane here. So the command is very simple here. So that is actually G-unfold here, and then ask you to select the model here. Select the surface you want to unfold, and just window selected here. And then just ask you whether you want to unfold the inner boundary or not. You just type yes, it doesn't matter here. And then you should get the result here. So, and yeah, this is actually the result here. You see here, this is actually the cutout here, and that should be the cutout here. This is small hole here. We all unfold together here. This is actually then the model here. And it's very simple to use, and you can unfold the curves here together with the surface. If you have a curve here on the surface in the 3D model, you just in the window selected all together, and then they will unfold together, and you have mesh model, and then they will unfold as well. So that's for today. Thank you. Bye.